I just ran around twice.
No, you mix it up. Mix it up, Tanya. Put your hand in there. Mix it up.
Oh my gosh.
You're looking who's going to win today.
Oh.
I hope so.
For sure one of us. For sure one of us. Yes, somebody.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, Primo. Come on, Primo. Let's do it, Primo.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Here it is, right here.
Oh. She's shaking.
Okay, here's the deal.
Oh my gosh.
If I read the first number and it's yours, stay here.
Okay.
If it's not, just go home.
Go big or go home.
Now go ahead and step back a little bit if your number has not been read. But if I read a 5 and you have a 5, go ahead and step forward a little. A 5. Okay.
Everyone's a 5?
Yeah.
That's great.
This first number is a 5. The second number is a 5. If you have a 2, 5, scream! Okay.
I think we all have 2.
5. 5. No!
559. I only have one.
559. Raise your hands.
Okay, 559's over here. Wait, and if you're not, over there.
Anyone want me to pull out a different ticket?
No! Can somebody help Tracy read through hers?
5, 9, 0.
That's not me. I'm out.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Let's take your stuff.
What's with all the lime green? Where's the ticket order? Okay. 5590. 5. 5. Yeah! 505. I'm like nervous. Here's the last one. Here's the last one. Here's the last one. 5590. Unroll that roll. 5590. 5.